Engaging in gun control advocacy for safer communities involves raising awareness, promoting sensible policies, and advocating for change at the local, state, and national levels. Here are some steps you can take to get involved. Educate yourself. Educate yourself about gun violence, gun laws, and the impact of firearms on public health and safety. Learn about different policy proposals for gun control, including universal background checks, assault weapons bans, red flag laws, and safe storage requirements. Support gun violence prevention organizations. Join or support gun violence prevention organizations and advocacy groups that are working to promote sensible gun laws and reduce gun violence. These organizations often provide resources, tools, and opportunities for advocacy and activism. Contact your elected officials. Reach out to your elected officials at the local, state, and federal levels to express your support for gun control measures and urge them to take action to address gun violence. Write letters, make phone calls, or schedule meetings with your representatives to discuss your concerns and priorities for safer communities. Participate in advocacy campaigns. Get involved in advocacy campaigns and initiatives led by gun violence prevention organizations, community groups, and grassroots movements. Participate in letter-writing campaigns, petition drives, rallies, marches, and other advocacy events to raise awareness and mobilize support for gun control measures. Support common sense legislation. Advocate for common sense gun control legislation that is supported by a majority of Americans, such as universal background checks, closing loopholes in existing gun laws, and implementing red flag laws to prevent individuals at risk of harming themselves or others from accessing firearms. Engage with gun owners. Engage with responsible gun owners and firearm enthusiasts in constructive dialogue about gun safety, responsible gun ownership, and the importance of supporting sensible gun laws. Find common ground and work together to promote solutions that balance Second Amendment rights with public safety. Promote safe storage practices. Advocate for safe storage practices and responsible gun ownership to prevent unauthorized access to firearms and reduce the risk of gun accidents, suicides, and crimes. Encourage gun owners to store firearms securely in locked safes or cabinets and to keep ammunition separate from firearms. Support research and data collection. Advocate for increased funding for research on gun violence prevention and public health initiatives related to firearms. Support efforts to lift restrictions on federal funding for gun violence research and to improve data collection and reporting on gun-related incidents. Engage with schools and communities. Collaborate with schools, community organizations, and local leaders to promote gun safety education, mental health resources, and violence prevention programs. Advocate for policies and programs that address the root causes of gun violence, such as poverty, inequality, and access to mental health care. Stay informed and stay engaged. Stay informed about developments in gun control advocacy, legislative initiatives, and opportunities for action. Stay engaged with advocacy organizations, follow news updates, and participate in ongoing efforts to promote safer communities and reduce gun violence. By taking these steps and getting involved in gun control advocacy efforts, you can help build momentum for sensible gun laws, raise awareness about the impact of gun violence, and contribute to efforts to create safer communities for everyone.